Today we're going to make chocolate frosting. Mix together 1 stick softened butter, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of milk. Now mix all this together. We're going to mix all this together and then we're going to add slowly 1 pound of powdered sugar. And you want to mix this really, really good. This is a chocolate frosting recipe that I use often. My family really likes it, and I believe it's because it's really not chocolatey, but it's good on cupcakes and layered cakes. Now we're finally getting to the consistency of the frosting. You'll see that it's blending really well. And of course, I use 1 pound of powdered sugar, but if you feel that it needs to be thicker, you can add more. Now it's time to frost the cupcakes. I don't claim to be a professional decorator, so if you're looking for those tips, you might have to visit another YouTube channel.